What's up? Good morning, guys. I am on my way to the airport. Gonna try to get back to this good video footage that I was doing. Been having a lot going on that prevented me from staying active on the YouTube. So I'm gonna try to get back to it because it's more or less to get all my local people engaged and stay on track with using Winter's Carwash for your detailing needs. So y'all check us out. We actually headed to the airport, and it's really foggy this morning, so definitely ain't gonna get no free flight out of nobody. But I got an airplane to watch, so we gonna get to it. But check this out. So, I don't know if y'all can tell. You can't really tell on the camera how foggy it is, but it's like super foggy. So I'm excited about the day. It's Friday. Got a lot going on for the weekend, so I'm trying to get this stuff done so I can get to the house and work that out. So let's get it. Well, y'all can see all that fog out there. So I made it to the Piper Cub. I'm about to go get me some food before I go over there, and we're gonna do a Cessna 150 today. It's one that I done did before, but we gotta get the oil and stuff off the bottom of it, which I'll show y'all in a little bit. But I'm gonna go get it in here, get me some food real quick, and I'm out. What's up, y'all? We made it back to the airport. We out here. I'm gonna show y'all the Cessna 150, show you what's wrong with it. We're gonna get it nice and clean and shiny today. And like I said, the main part is the bottom of the airplane, where all the oil comes out of the pipe and gets stuck to it. So let me show y'all what that's looking like currently. Y'all can see everything under here that we gotta get off. Definitely gonna let the chemicals do its job, but this the bad boy that I also fly. But it ain't gonna be too tough of a job. Gonna knock this out and go on to the next thing. I actually gotta do the instructor's car as well, so we're gonna do that while we're here and get it going. Let's take a look at it a little bit more. See what we gotta clean. Top of wings. Not too bad. Let me see what the inside looks like. It's pretty clean. Probably try to take some of this stuff off the seats. It's gonna be kind of difficult because it's an older plane, so a lot of it's just stains that's stuck in, and we gonna make it happen. So let me get started. What's up, y'all? We about to do a little acid wash on the bottom of the airplane so we can let that sit, and then we gonna finish washing the whole thing and get it going. Alright guys, so my hand kind of burning. The chemicals that I use to get that stuff from up under the airplane, the belly, it is harsh. So it cuts my skin a little bit. I gotta switch gloves, wash my hand real good because my skin is irritated, and we just gotta keep going. So we'll keep working it out, and then we'll just see what it looks like at the end. All right, guys, we is back. We is about to check out the Cessna, see how it really came out. It was quite a bit of work because the bottom of it was it had a lot of exhaust and oil stuck to it. So I'm gonna show y'all the bottom, and we're gonna get to the rest of the airplane. So let's check it out. So y'all can see up under there how clean I got it. Looking good. It's the outside. Got all the grime and stuff off of it. And that's what it is. Take y'all in the front of it so y'all can see all the bugs and stuff going too. Then we cleaned the seats up a little bit. They came a little bit cleaner, but they older seats, so a lot of the stains are set in. That's the inside of the airplane. Good to go. All right, Mr. Ryan.
Yeah, man, looks good. I appreciate it.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, we'll touch with you next week about the car.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, when you got time.
Okay.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Well, have a good weekend.
Out of here, you too. All right, guys, we is out of the airport. About to head on to the next job and figure out what it is. I think I got like a Tahoe to do or a Suburban. It's one of my older customers from last year that I haven't seen in a while, so that's how it is. I mean, sometimes I see people often, sometimes they hit me up twice a year because they need me to get in the nooks and crannies that they can't get to. But either way it go, that's what we on. And got my airplane I really want right there. So that is a Velocity Star airplane. But maybe one day we'll see how it goes. Of course it ain't nobody important. But that's what it is. Get away from the airport. For some reason I never have service when I'm out here. So we gotta get to where the service is, but y'all stay tuned. What's up, guys? We made it to another location. We got this Tahoe here. I'm about to do a recommended detail on it. It ain't that bad, but it's got a couple things going on with it. It's got a little bit of dog hair in it, so I'm either charge them an extra 20 or extra 44, depending on how bad it is when I start doing it. I'm gonna take y'all around and let y'all see what it's looking like, get to work on it, and keep it that splash. All right, so let's check it out. On the outside, definitely needs to wash, but I mean, it's not too bad. The front end is not too bad. It's just dusty for the most part. They kind of take pretty good care of this thing. Go ahead and take you on the inside. So panels ain't too bad. Give them a nice wipe down. The floors, so you can see it's got like dog hair on the edges and stuff. So, and then it's a cup holder area. It's not horribly bad, but it can definitely use a good wipe down. Same thing in the rear. Got these mats that need some attention. Got that dog hair right there. I came through and flipped this up, but as you can see, we got some dog hair and the cracks and crevices that hasn't been getting taken care of lately. So let's open up the back. We'll go ahead and go to this side, see what we're looking like, get everything opened up. Yeah, see, we got more dog hair right here, so I actually think I'm gonna go up a little bit. I mean, anytime I see dog hair, man, I have to charge for that because it takes longer for me to vacuum and deal with it. And on the panels right here, we want to get some of this stuff off. So I'm gonna get these mats looking good. Lift this up, see what we're looking like. Yep, see, we got quite a bit of dog hair to deal with up under there. And the back's not too bad, so it's got its little trouble spots, we gonna knock it out either way it go, make it happen. So let's get to it.